Fantastic, folks. Black BMWs, Team DI Revolution style, worldwide. New York City, Tampa, Jacksonville. We making it happen across the country. We qualified for this BMW in 5 days using the Design Success System. We're here to help you to do what it is that you're looking to do with regard to qualifying for this, taking care of your family, taking care of your financial issues with regard to the compensation plan that the company has, and we're doing it in record time in a big way. So we're here to set it off for you till the wheels fall off. DI Team Revolution.
Folks, I'm just honored to be a part of this awesome team because we're literally sweeping the nation with black BMWs. Folks, we got a game plan that's designed to put you in one in 21 days. We've already documented. We've done it in 4 and 5 days. We're collapsing time. We're putting people and their families on the other side of money. We're making people become healthy through the ViSalus compensation plan. Folks, the only thing is missing is you. Be a part, representing DI, C. Thomas Gambrell, Gerald Rogers, myself, and my partner Bass Grant. We're doing it worldwide till the wheels fall off. Set it off with us right now. Peace.
Come on, man. Get that. Get that again. Come on now.
Told you so.
Told you so.
Told you so.